Hey, Uncles, you want to go back in time and hunt some dinosaurs?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Alright, let's get in the time machine and go back in time.
Press the button.
Alright, let's go. Alright, don't step off the path and don't interfere with anything that I don't say you can do. Why? Because you'll ruin time. And now we just have to stay on the path. Look, I think I hear a dinosaur coming. Let's go. Whoa, this isn't right.
Fatality.
Hey, I just want to say goodbye. Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody. Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody. Now I need some changes in my life.